Hi guys, to receive this socket ceiling fan light for reviewing purposes, it's a 2-in-1 LED light and fan, and well, I think it's nice because you can just place it on a regular socket and make it work. You get proper main unit, an extension rod, and the controller, okay? And it's suitable for different areas. You can place it in your kitchen, your walk-in closet, your bedroom, wherever you need it. I think it's a really nice option to have, and you don't have to make all the installation of a regular fan, okay? And here we've got the instructions, the fan blades, the remote control. In the remote we have the button to turn everything off, the light on and off. We can change the temperature of the light, which I think is really nice, and the intensity of the light, which is something nice. I mean, it's dimmable, and you have up to 6 speeds. This is the proper main unit. As you can see, it's small, compact. It came with its cap, and you can see you just place it on a regular socket. Okay. Here's the extension rod and some screws. Okay. So let's go ahead and place it where I'll be using it. Come on. Okay guys, as you can see, it's already placed in the socket. It was just like placing a regular light bulb, which makes it easier and suitable for anywhere you want to place it, your kitchen, your bathroom, your bedroom. I think it's perfect for anywhere that you need it, and it's really easy to use it with the control remote. You got up to 6 different speeds and a adjustable light. As you can see, I can turn down the temperature of the light. It goes warmer, okay? I think that's a really nice option, and you can also dim it, which I think it's perfect for any occasion that you want to place it. And you can program it for 2 hours to turn off automatically. You can obviously turn everything off with the press of this button, but I think it's a really nice socket ceiling fan with lights that I will recommend. See ya!
If you buy this product, this video could generate us a commission. Thank you.